Hi, welcome to Turner Time. This tutorial is on how to add your Outlook signature when sending files from Office apps. If you send a document or other file type via email directly from a program, Word, Excel, etc., Outlook will automatically open a new email with the document attached. Even if you have auto signature turned on, the new email will not have your signature in the body. You will have to add your signature manually each time. This tutorial will cover file sending and signature process. Let's learn how you will do that. Left click on File in the upper left corner. Left click Share. Left click Email. Left click Send as Attachment. A new email will open up with the file attached. Now left click in the body of the email. Then go to Insert tab in the ribbon. Left click Signature and choose your signature that you want to add. If this tutorial helps you, please support us by liking this video. Also give us your comments and share this tutorial with others. Do you want to be more productive in using Microsoft 365? Get our upskilling program that covers the 7 silos, the pillars of productivity, so you can learn to save 1 to 2 hours each workday. For more info, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 85-577-88463.